Oh, that's something new. We were doing one by one before. All right. Uh-huh. Okay. Yeah, all right. Okay. Good job. Do we have more spoons? Oops. We're trying to put the spoons in the cup like Mommy did earlier. Okay, JJ, so watch. This is what we do. See? There you go. All right, now can JJ do that? Oh, good job. Almost. You can put it all in. You are doing great. I know. It's a little frustrating. Right? Okay. Yeah. Let's do another spoon. What's that? Is that your spoon? Oh, yeah, I know. It doesn't feel good, huh? Yeah. All right. Oh. This turned out to be a better game than I thought. Okay. Yeah, all right. Good job. What about more spoons? We have more spoons right there. Good. Do we have another spoon? Yeah, good job, JJ. What about the spoon in your hand? Uh-huh. You're doing great. Yay! Where's your necklace? Do you have a necklace? Is that your necklace?